Hello friends, in my last video I had explained you the concept of PMI offline and online cylinder pressures monitoring systems. Also briefed you the procedures for recording performance of main engine using pressure measuring transducer. If at all you have missed the video, please go through the link attached in the description below. In this video, I'll explain you how an main engine performance monitoring system is modified and upgraded from manual measurements to online continuous measurements. In order to upgrade the engine from PMI offline to PMI online system, following modifications needs to be carried out. First is the online sensor installation. Now, to measure the cylinder pressures of a unit, the online sensors needs to be installed on the respective units. The sensors are installed on the indicator cocks. The old indicator cocks have no provision to accommodate the new sensors. Hence, all the old indicator cocks need to be replaced with the new ones, as the new indicator cocks are designed to fit the sensors within their body. New junction boxes are to be fitted for the respective units on the frames. The cables of the online sensors are connected to the newly fitted junction boxes with the help of connectors. Further, all the necessary cable connections are to be made in accordance with the electrical circuit diagram provided with the upgradation kit. In my previous video, as I had explained you, the measured data by the sensors is communicated to the main operating panel via the data acquisition unit. Therefore, the cabling connections are to be made from the junction boxes to the PMI DAU. All the data measured by the online sensors is collected and processed by the data acquisition unit. Now, the processed data is further communicated to the VPN router by a Ethernet LAN cable. The VPN router is located in engine control room panel. From the router, the data is further transmitted to EMS MOP and ECS MOP-B. Friends, here I will brief you in short about what exactly EMS and ECS MOPs are. The PMI auto tuning is divided into two sections. First is EMS MOP, that is Engine Monitoring System Main Operating Panel. It's basically a separate PC or laptop which contains the PMI auto tuning and Cocos EDS software programs. This is for recording, monitoring and analysis of the combustion process. On the EMS MOP, the operator can only monitor and examine the combustion cycle process. The operator cannot adjust the parameters. And the second is ECS MOP A and B, Engine Control Systems Main Operating Panel A and B. With ECS MOP, the operator can command and control adjustments of the combustion process. With this interface, the performance of the engine can be tuned by adjusting the fuel injection timing and the exhaust valve closing time. All the evaluated key pressure values are transmitted via the network from EMS MOP to ECS MOP-B. So basically, ECS MOP-B can be said as master and ECS MOP-A is the backup. So back to engine upgradation and modification. Once the online sensors and associated cabling connections are installed, the Cocos EDS and PMI auto tuning software needs to be upgraded, as the old version won't be able to process the data acquired by the online sensors. Now, in order to upgrade the old Cocos version, simply insert the CD supplied by the Man Energy Solutions in the CD drive of EMS MOP. In Windows Explorer, select the appropriate CD-ROM. Select the folder Cocos EDS ME. Select the setup application and follow the instructions for installing the new version. Once the installation process is completed, a performance chart opens with all the service data of the respective engine updated in it. The IMO number of the vessel is also updated. After completing the setup for upgraded version of Cocos EDS, you need to upgrade PMI auto tuning version. You can see here the old version is 1410 and the higher version is 1910. Now, to install higher version, insert the new CD for PMI auto tuning into the CD drive. During installation, a permission will be asked to remove the previous version and install new ones. Uninstalling old PMI version will not delete any previously saved measurements. So, one can allow to remove old version by clicking yes. Select type of installation as service and continue the installation program. Once the new version is installed, open PMI auto tuning file. Friends, you can see the new version 1910 1.3 is installed successfully and the PMI auto tuning program is running satisfactorily. Once both the Cocos EDS and PMI auto tuning software updated versions are installed, the cylinder pressure cycles can be measured and can be automatically tuned with the engine operating in balanced state. The operator can continuously monitor the combustion process and analyze the faults in the system. Friends, this is how the engine is upgraded for measuring the cylinder pressure cycles from manual measurements to PMI online measurements. Most importantly, before putting the newly commissioned online sensors into operation, they must be calibrated using the reference sensors. According to IMO NOx technical code, the online sensors must be calibrated at least every 12 months. However, it is recommended that calibration is performed more often, that is, every 3 to 6 months. This is to maintain the deviation of the gain values for the online sensors in range. Guys, in my next video, I'll explain you the procedures to calibrate online sensors and how to record a performance of main engine with PMI auto tuning mode enabled. Hope this video has acquainted you with how an engine is upgraded in terms of cylinder pressure measurements from manual to online mode. Thank you for watching the video. Wish you all safe voyages and healthy stay on board. Thank you.